Kumar Singh, they are the local talents and they'll certainly be X-Factor players. Milanta was special last season. He was the one scoring. Samarakun joins in and two other players in Nicole Lofty Eaton and Sanjay Krishnamurthy comprise of the playing 11 for the Janakpur Bulls.
Yeah, the Kathmandu Gorkhas last season struggled with bat in hand. They were good with the ball, particularly Gerard Erasmus with his little off-spinners and Shahab Alam as well, Karan Casey, but they'll want to improve with bat in hand, and so therefore that's why they've strengthened in that department. They only just missed out on the playoffs last year, but you just never felt that they had that extra something to get to the latter stages of the competition.
Yeah, there's a lot that's happening in the middle of the ground over there, and Andrew Leonard is right there at the epicenter of all the action. Take it away, Andrew.
Namaste, Sabalai. Could I ask everybody in this beautiful new stadium to please be upstanding, to get on your feet, stand up for the national anthem of Nepal.